Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
This hot trend is taking over TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. I mean the mesmerizing cat walking effect. In this super quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create this viral AI video animation in just 5 minutes. Oh yes, you heard that right. 5 minutes to make your content stand out and wow your audience. Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's get started. Getting started, first head straight to your Google search and type Ideogram AI. Make sure to click on this very one here where you have Ideogram AI, and then it will take you to an interface like this. If you are new to this AI website, you'll be asked to create an account in less than a few seconds. You can do that, guys. You may want to sign in with your Gmail or Google account. With that done already, before we proceed, let's quickly know what this AI website is all about. Ideogram AI is a generative artificial intelligence tool that specializes in creating images from text prompts. With that said, guys, in time past, I did a video tutorial on how to use this AI website. But today we just want to concentrate on the reasons why we are here, which is generating this trendy AI cat walking effect, right? Now, to do that, guys, you just have to click on this very place here where you have describe what you want to see here and type in your prompt. By this, I mean you should make a proper description of the kind of image you want to generate. Now, let's take a look at the prompt that I just typed in here. Create a stunning image of a white cat wearing a beautiful design queen's attire colored with sparkling gold and red, holding a royal staff designed with sparkling gold color, walking upright majestically like human in a red carpet fashion show, and people looking surprisingly applauding the cat. Okay, guys, this is the prompt that I typed in. Now, let's see the outcome of the photo. Guys, before we dive into generating the photo, I must not forget to tell you that here is possible for you to choose your aspect ratio. As you can see here, we have aspect ratio for YouTube, which is 16:10 here, 1:1 for Facebook and Instagram, 10:16 for your Instagram Reels or TikTok. As you can see here, guys, it's also possible to click on this arrow down body here to choose more aspect ratio, just in case you can find the appropriate one that suits your demand. Okay, guys? And then here it's possible to choose whether a realistic photo, design, or 3D or even anime. So, guys, it's left for you. And then as you can see here, under here we have the color palette. Guys, I would advise you leave it in automatic as it is that way. Here we have the public and private view for visibility, guys. If you are on a free plan, then definitely whatever images you're generating would be on a public view. It's only when you are on a pro that your images can be on private, okay? Or that you have the alternative to choose between private and public. Hola, guys, as you can see here at the results, check out the results. Is it this stunning? Wow. Okay, guys, also check out these amazing images. Look at how stunning they are. Wow, this is super cool, right? I type in here, create a stunning image of a white cat dressed in short black jeans with chain around the waist, wearing red top, written Nike, wearing a black cap with Nike logo and white canvas with Nike logo, riding scooter on the street of New York. Guys, wow, check out the amazing result. Exactly as it was described in the prompt, right? Now, guys, this is how you're going to use this method to generate any image of your desire. It depends on what you want to generate. If you want to use a dog, fine. Any kind of animal you want to use, it's just for you to understand the process, okay? Now that we are done with the generation of the images, next is for us to move to the next step, which is animation of the images. And to do this, I want to use Luma Labs or the Dream Machine for my photo animation. Guys, come on with me. Let's move on to Luma AI. To do that, go straight to your Google search and type Luma AI. Okay guys, just in case you're new to this AI website, I've done a video tutorial on how to use this AI website in time past, and I'll be leaving the link below in the description box. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to hit the nail on the head. So let's move straight to the reason why we are here. Okay, to do that, just click on try now, sign in with your Google account. Okay guys, now I must tell you the truth, I've already done the photo animation already before filming this part of the video because I want everything to be snappy. As I have promised earlier, I want this video tutorial to be very short and snappy. I don't want this video tutorial to be long at all. So I already did everything off camera. Okay, now what I did was that the images that was generated by Ideogram, which is this very particular one here. Let's take this one for instance. First, let's check out the animation before I explain to you the process in which I animated it. Now let's check out this animation. Guys, this is wow. This is super amazing, guys. What's your thoughts about this, guys? This is super amazing. This was a static image. Now check out the motion. It is so real, so cool. Like, oh my God, this AI website, I will say, is one among the best AI website for your photo animation. Okay, now let me take you back to how I got this amazing result. Let me tell you how I actually animated the photo that was static before now, and I got it in this way. Okay, now what I did was that I click on this very particular box here. This very box you are seeing here, I click on it here like this, and then it took me to wherever I saved my photos in my device. I have it imported. Okay, I have it imported, and then next here where you have type some text or add an image, here I type in a prompt. By this I mean I instructed the AI on what to do with the photo. So in the case of the video you just saw, that animated photo you just saw, I just wrote something very simple. Riding on a scooter was the prompt I typed in here after inserting the photo. As simple as that. And then I got this amazing result. As you can see here, there are other works that I did here, like this very particular one here. It was actually a static photo. At the tail end, after inserting the photo there, I just type walking. As you can see here, just check out the prompt here. As simple as that. You don't need to use too much grammar. It's enough for the AI to understand you. Here is the amazing result I got for that. Guys, how cool is this website? It's super amazing. I'm liking this website already. Likewise, this very particular one here. Don't forget, guys, this was the previous photo we generated using Ideogram. Okay, they were all static image. Okay, so as you can see here, look at what I typed in here as a prompt: walking side by side. As simple as that. So if you want to get an amazing result, just try to put in this command, put in this instruction. After inserting your images, just tell the AI what you want, and that's all. In less than 5 minutes, you have your amazing result. Guys, I must not forget to tell you, before now, this AI website was on a high demand. So if you were to be on a free plan, this AI website keep you waiting for hours, sometimes even 24 hours. Your photo will be queued up for a very long time because it was on a high demand. They were still on the process of getting things better. Okay, so if you were on a free plan and you were to use this AI website, guys, I must not forget to tell you that before now it was super frustrating. But funny enough, recently I found out that they have really improved. So even if you are on a free plan, you can have your images animated in less than 5 minutes. So how cool is that, guys? So guys, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Just as I have promised earlier that this video was going to be a very quick and snappy video. But just in case you're wondering or thinking of how to add copyright-free sounds or music to your video after animating the photos, let me know in the comment section so that I can do a video tutorial on how you can add copyright free and monetizable sounds and music to your video after animating the photo. Guys, I want to believe that you really enjoyed this video and that you have learned a lot from this video. Please guys, do not hesitate to put thumbs ups in this video and hit the subscribe button if today is your first time of coming across my video. See you on the next video tutorial. Bye bye. Shalom.